Yes, this is a dictation at the rate of 100 words per minute. Yes, start. The government is aiming to bring down inflation by more than a percentage point in the next few weeks by taking fresh measures to curb price rise. Minister of State for Industry said on Thursday that while the full impact of these measures would be reflected in 6 to 8 weeks, the positive effect of the measures already taken has started showing. He said the steep hike in prices of many commodities has not only stopped, but prices of some items have also started showing a downward trend. The government's strategy is to attack each factor that results in inflation. Actually, inflation occurs when too much money chases too few goods. Today, no great shortfall in goods is evident. World of oil production is rising, though slowly. Mineral and metal production is up. The survey predicts a record global harvest in 2008. Para. Inflation is a self-accelerating process. It is a phenomenon that feeds on itself and initiates a very vicious cycle. Rising prices drive people to demand increased wages and salaries. Since such demands are resisted in the beginning, they resort to pressure tactics like strikes and demonstrations. But such tactics only decrease production and aggravate the situation. The fixed income groups like salaried people, wage earners and pensioners are the most helpless victims of inflation. As prices rise, their real income get eroded. The additional dearness allowance which the government sanctions from time to time proves of no use to them because their purchasing power actually goes down. Inflation induces businessmen to invest their money in non-productive assets like gold and land, whose real worth is not affected by rising prices. High prices also adversely affect the exports of the country and distort the balance of foreign trade. Para. The minister pointed out that despite rising inflation for the first time, food prices in India are ruling lower than anywhere else in the world. As per the government estimate, in the last 2 months, there has been a substantial decline in prices of food grains from peak levels. For instance, price of rice has come down by 1.64% during the last 2 months. The government believes there will be reduction in the prices as the monsoon this year is expected to be favorable and the measures to curb inflation would continue. The government is also in talks with cement manufacturers to see how cement prices can be brought down. It expects further reduction in prices of cement as representatives from the manufacturing industry have responded positively to the suggestions and proposals made by the government to bring down prices. Numerous factors can be cited to explain price rise in India. First, our economic planning has suffered from serious drawbacks right from the beginning. It is obvious that export restrictions fuel the fire of price hike. The increasing perceptions of shortage lead to hoarding by the farmers traders and consumers all over the world. People are in a panic, so they buy more and more, especially those who have money. Stopped and over.